Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss two problems based on average speed. Problem number 1. If a particle travels the first half of the distance with speed v1 and the second half the distance with speed v2, find its average speed. The average speed should be in terms of v1 and v2 only. Why means v1, v2 are given in the problem. The final expression should be in terms of given quantities. We can imagine this situation as the total distance we are taking into two half parts. It is suppose say A, O and B. A to O distance is S, O to B also suppose say S. Now this S distance, it is traveling with the speed v1. Next to OB, the distance is the speed of the particle is v2. Now from the average speed, we have V average is equal to total distance travelled by the body divided by total time taken. Here total distance is S plus S, that means the distance between A and O and distance between O and B. Total time taken T1 plus T2. But T1, T2 are not there. We have to eliminate them. For the OA or AO region, we can write V1 is equal to S by T1. From this, T1 is equal to S by V1. Similarly, for OB region, we can write V2 is equal to S by T2. From this, T2 is equal to S by V2. Now we will write this T1 and T2. That is equal to (2s) divided by T1 is nothing but S by V1 plus T2 is nothing but S by V2. We can write S is common, S will be get cancelled. We will get 2 by 1 by V1 plus 1 by V2. If we simplify this, we will get 2 times of V1 V2 by V1 plus V2. This one will be used to solve the problems in less number of steps within short duration. This one can be used as direct formula also to solve the problems. Coming to second problem. If a particle travels with speed v1 during the first half time interval and with speed v2 during second half time interval, find the average speed. Here we can take the situation same like previous. So total distance is AB, and here we are not dividing the distance, we are dividing the time. So A to O can be taken as S1, O to B can be taken as S2, and A to O, the speed of the particle is V1, O to B, the speed of the particle is V2. Here, from the formula, average speed is equal to total distance travelled S1 plus S2 divided by total time taken T1 plus T2. Okay. But here in the data S1 is not there. S1 we have to eliminate. From this one we can write V1 is equal to S by, suppose say this time interval T. Why means he has given time interval is same. T A to O and O to B also suppose say T. Otherwise you can take T by 2, T by 2. Choice is yours. V1 is equal to S1 by T. From this T can be S we will eliminate. So S1 is equal to V1 into T. Similarly, for the second part, we can write V2 is equal to S2 by T. From this S2 is equal to V2 into T. Now, S1 is nothing but V1T plus S2 is nothing but V2 into T divided by T1 plus T2. So, T plus T. From this you can take V1 plus V2 into T divided by 2T. T will be get cancelled. We will get the average speed is V1 plus V2 by 2. So, what we can write here from this, V average is the arithmetic mean of two speeds. That means V1 plus V2 by 2 is average speed, can be used when a body travels first half of the time with speed V1, next half of the time with speed V2. And the previous one we can write V average is the harmonic mean of two speeds. Thank you.